a lot of the times, the guests, because QR codes weren't really used then, they were going, what's this QR code? And we just tell them, go leave a review on TripAdvisor. But now, if you do the same, and you can do this in your rental, or you can do this in your bed and breakfast, or wherever you may be, then you could just have a QR code, put it on the back of the door, whether it's a sticker or a laminate or whatever you want it to be, and just say, please leave a review, scan the code. Now, again, reviews, social proof are one of the most effective ways. I think everybody can relate to this, to bringing in new direct bookings. The problem is that we don't ask, and this is a fantastic way to ask. The Granary is a 14-bedroom guest house. It's 3 holiday cottages. On the back of every door, we would have a QR code, and we'd basically put a little A4 piece of paper or a sticker and put it on the back of the door. And they would see it every single time they were leaving the room. And the message that we would put the QR code would be something along the lines of, enjoying your stay, please leave a review. Scan the QR code, which will take you to, and we changed it, TripAdvisor, Facebook, Google, you name it. We would change it. But we would change it to the platform that we're looking to get a bump from. And the best thing is about these QR codes is that they are free. They cost absolutely nothing to set up. And even better, for those of you that think you're not very good technically, is that it's a click of a button and they're created. You don't have to have any degrees in graphic design. You don't have to be an expert in graphic design. It's really, really simple to set it up.